buddy. Will you pick a number today? What's in there? Can you pick a number? Huh? What's in there? Don't be shy. Don't be shy. Is there a number in there you could pick? Huh, cutie? Good job. You want to take one? Of course, then you have to give it back to me. You can't take it into your nest box. Yeah. What's in there? Grab one. Grab one. Here. Let me curve the sides down a little bit for you. It's not so deep. Hold on a second. Okay. I will even accept if you knock one out. What's that? What's in there? What's in there? Huh? What's in there, buddy? Wanna grab one? Would you? Would you grab one? Look at all those numbers. Just take one. Oh, okay. Oh, all your big old tush out of there. You gonna come back? Will you come back here and draw one? Oh my goodness, honey, you're so chunky. You are so chunky. Come here. Pick one. Pick one. Grab it. Oh, come on. You almost did. You almost did. I'd even take it if you knocked one out. What? Is that a good one? Okay. Because it doesn't look like he's going to actually pick it. There's one on the edge there. Come on. Pick one. Come on. Come on, Sullivan. Grab one. Grab one. Do a girl a solid, okay? Grab one. Do it. Do it. You know you want to. You know you want to. Huh. You know you want to. Hi. Hi. Here. Sullivan, you're ignoring me. You're ignoring me. Here. Grab one. Grab one. Hi, honey. You're very close. You're very close. No, you can't come out. You can't come out. You gotta pick one. Here. You've got a job to do. You know, you gotta earn some money here. You gotta earn some money. You get to, you don't just get to live here for free. Yeah. Come on. Do it. Oh, stretch, sure. Yeah, just take your time. I don't want to go home or anything. Hi. No. Just because you're cute. Pick one. Hey, you. You with the tail. Get out here. You. I think I was just dissed. I was dissed by a squirrel. Sullivan. Well, I guess that's my answer on that one. Okay, so, sorry folks. We're going to have to go to the old standby, the old reliable one. We're going to have to see if Benjamin is willing to pick one today, even though it means he doesn't get to get out again, because I need to leave. And I need to have an animal pick a number. So, Benjamin, what'd you say? You willing to help me out? And pick one? Oh, yay! You're no pro. Can you not eat it, though? Huh? Can you not eat it? Can I have that? Can I have that? Thank you. It's number... No, you don't get to come out because I have to go home. I have to go home. I've got places to go, people to see. Sorry. I know, you're just so reliable. Anyway, it's number 57. Today's number is number 57. Okay. Thank you, Benjamin. You're so reliable.